In this video, I will show you how to make a shared playlist on Spotify. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. You're gonna open up Spotify on your phone, then you're gonna click your library right here at the bottom. Once you're here, you're gonna pick the playlist that you wanna share, or you can create a new one. To do that, you're gonna click on the plus icon on the top, and then you're gonna click on playlist. Then you're gonna go ahead and give your playlist a name, and you're gonna start adding songs to your playlist. So Spotify is gonna suggest some songs. You can pick those, or you can just choose your favorite ones by searching on the search bar. Once your playlist is ready, tap right here on the three dots and then scroll down a little bit, and then you're gonna click right here at the bottom where you can see it says invite collaborators. Then Spotify is gonna give you a link that is gonna allow your friends to add any songs that they want for 7 days. So just go ahead and copy that link, and then you can just text it to your friends so they can add their favorite songs as well. And that's it. Hope that helps.